When I started exfoliating and then moisturizing really well, it got so much better.
Today I'm interviewing Carla, a longtime customer of mine that's been using coconut skincare products for her dry aging skin, and she's sharing her honest answers and thoughts on using coconut skincare and how it can benefit you too. So be sure to continue watching to learn some tips and tricks of how she uses it. And disclaimer, she's in her 50s and she looks amazing. What was your skin like before Pure Coco coconut skincare? Was it like desert dry, like a lizard, or just a little bit flaky?
Just flaky, a little bit flaky on my face.
Was it with foundation that you noticed it, or was it something we're at?
Yep, when I tried to put my foundation on like right in here.
Okay. It would get really dry and flaky there.
Yeah.
So how did you discover Pure Coco? Was it recommendation, social media, or something else?
At the marketplace in Aberdeen.
Okay, yeah. And that's
at the health food store.
Local health food store. So
yeah.
What changed with your skin after you started using the products? Like, how did your skin respond?
When I started exfoliating and then moisturizing really well, it got so much better.
Oh, awesome. So it was a both and. It wasn't just like
yes.
one of the, okay, that's super helpful for other people to hear too. So do you have a favorite product or a scent, and how do you use it in your routine?
I like the Citrus Flora cream the best. It's just really good. It smells really good.
And then how do you put it on your skin? You just put it straight on and then just let it melt, or you melt it beforehand?
I melt it in my hands first.
Melt it in your hands first, okay. Because it's like a nice thick kind of balm kind of texture.
Yeah.
Do you have any little tricks to get the most out of the products? Like if you use it like in the morning or at night, or when your skin is still damp from like showering or washing your face?
In the morning and at night.
Okay.
A little bit, yeah. I like to use it right after I get out of the shower when everything's still kind of damp, but yeah, I think that works the best.
I do too. I always recommend and do that myself personally with my dry eczema skin. I think it helps significantly. So you've been on a health and wellness journey with like food and diet, exercise, things like that, which I have too, which personally I've had like a Benjamin Button effect happening, but I'm curious, what are your thoughts on it? How is it? Do you think it's helped your skin in addition to using a natural skincare routine, or what are your thoughts on that?
I think so, because I think when you eat well and you get up and you move around and get your blood flowing, it's just good. I think it does help a lot.
I think it definitely doesn't hurt, and there's definitely no side effects either. So that's always a plus. Have you recommended Pure Coco to your friends? And if so, what have their thoughts been?
I have, and they buy it all the time. I've given it as gifts.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I give it to my kids.
Yeah, they really like it too.
Yeah.
Do they ever come over and steal it from you too? Like, I need more.
Yeah, my creams will disappear.
I've heard that a lot over the years from various people, that their significant other or their kids or relative or friend come over like, ooh, what's this?
Yeah.
Get your own. This is a fun question. If you could only take one Pure Coco product to a deserted island, which item and what scent and why?
The lip balm.
The lip balm. Okay. Any particular scent?
I like the vanilla.
How do you like to shop for Pure Coco products? Is it online, in person, Amazon? I know you said the health food store where we live.
Mm-hmm. I like to go to the health food store and online.
It's nice to have convenience, I think.
Yeah.
Options, what your needs are. And just for fun, we're going to do a quick rapid fire skincare myth busters. I will give you a fact, and then you tell me myth or fact based on your personal experience. And then disclaimer for anybody that's watching, everybody's skin is different, so everybody's skin's going to react differently, have whatnot. So these are Carla's experiences, and it's just for fun to hear what she thinks. So question number one is, does coconut clog pores?
No.
You only need to moisturize in winter.
No. Moisturize all year.
Especially for us dry skin ladies.
Yeah.
Drinking more water instantly hydrates your skin.
I don't think it's instant. I think it's accumulative. The more you drink over the course of the day and the week is better.
Yeah. Do you think it's a end all be all? Like water's the only answer? Dry skin, you just need to drink more water?
No, I don't think it's the only thing, but I think it's a big part of it.
Yeah, I agree. natural skincare isn't strong enough for dry eczema or aging skin.
No, that's not true.
Well, thank you so much, Carla, for sharing your testimony and your honest answers. I hope this helps somebody else. I hope you found Carla's testimonial to be helpful and inspiring and encouraging if you have been experiencing dry flaky patches on your face also, and the products that she uses in the order that she uses. And leave a comment below if you've tried coconut oils before or if you've been hesitant also. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe to this channel so that way you get notified when more videos like this comes out. Next, watch this video to find out how exactly to use the products on your face to take off makeup and to wash the face at the end of the day. It is like a spa treatment, and I'll see you there.